Yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is to switch the power off on the front of the boiler, just like so. Remove your safety cover if you have got a safety cover on your tap. Is activate the boiling water, so that we dispense all the boiling water out of the system.
So you're running that until it's cold?
Yeah, we're running that until it's cold. Isolate the water via the green handled shutoff valve. So we're going to press this pressure release button.
And that just releases any air that might be trapped in the housing?
Yeah, that's it, exactly. And what happens is occasionally you get little spurts of water that come out, like you can see there, but again, that's nothing to worry about. And once we've done that, you just unscrew the lower sump, and then just pull down the filter cartridge. And then what I do is then just pour out the residue water into the sink.
Okay.
Then whilst we're undertaking a deep clean procedure, I just leave your filter cartridge just sitting in the sink like that, because what happens, you can get bits of residue water seep out, so it's better that it does that when it's sitting in the sink than rather on your work surface. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to pour the cleaning solution into the filter sump. So you just unscrew the cap just by pushing down and turning. We then pour the whole contents of the bottle into the filter sump. Like so. Gently tighten. What we then do, we then turn on the water supply here via the green handled shutoff valve.
And that pushes the cleaning solution into the tank, right?
It does, yeah. So where the cleaning solution is sitting here, what it does, it pushes it on the outlet hose from here all the way into the tank. Okay guys, we've now waited 15 minutes. What we're now going to do is to go up to the tap. We're going to activate the boiling water side of the tap. And we allow the water flow to run for 30 seconds. The reason we do that is to ensure that all the cleaning solution comes out of the filter system and enters the water boiler. So what we're going to do now is to switch on the power on the front of the boiler. Yeah, and allow 20 minutes heating time. And again guys, as you'll know, is that when the tank has reached temperature, the lower LED here will turn green. The heating cycle is now complete. We're now going to go up to the tap. First of all, we're going to activate the boiling water side of the tap to flush it through. So it may steam and splutter excessively, but that's perfectly fine. You'll hear some noises. Again, that's nothing to worry about. It's just releasing the trapped air for the system. And what you want to do is to allow this boiling water side to flush through for 10 minutes. What you might find as well is that when you're doing this part of the process, it might smell a little bit unpleasant, but again, that's nothing to worry about. It's just a cleaning solution exhausting. Handle towards you. We then allow this to run for 10 minutes as well. Release any excess pressure just by pressing the little red button. Again, if you get a little bit of water and air come out, it's not a problem, it's nothing to worry about. Then unscrew the sump. Pour the excess water into the sink. Pop your filter cartridge back into the housing. Push your filter cartridge into place. Screw your sump back into position. Gently tighten. Turn the water back onto the tap. Switch on the power. Need to allow 20 minutes for the heating cycle to be complete. At that point, your deep clean is done. You can then go off and enjoy a nice cup of tea.